To another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. We're talking in this set of videos about citizenship, and we've gone over various ways to obtain a certificate of citizenship and so forth, and how it's automatically transmitted. I'd like to discuss some of the differences between getting a passport, a U.S. passport, versus a certificate of citizenship, and whether there's a difference. Well, either one will prove U.S. citizenship. So if you have a certificate of citizenship, it's a nice pretty certificate and it does prove that you are a U.S. citizen, but it doesn't let you travel outside the United States. You must have a U.S. passport to do that. So then people will ask me, do they need to have a certificate of citizenship and a U.S. passport? And the answer is no. One will suffice, and if you're going to be traveling outside the U.S., then of course the passport would be preferable. So you are eligible to apply for a passport under any of these citizenship provisions. Now, a lot of them are not real easy to analyze or to show the evidence and documents and so forth. So what you would do is, have the proper petition prepared, the passport application prepared, put all the necessary evidence, declaration, documents, supporting evidence, and so forth, and then walk that application into the U.S. passport office. They will take it, and then they will send it to the appropriate personnel who will be able to adjudicate and rule whether they believe you fall under that particular section. And if they do, then go ahead and be happy, because they're going to send you your U.S. passport. Now, just so you know, the certificate of citizenship is applied for inside the United States, and it falls under the provisions of the Department of Justice and so forth. The passport is through Department of State, and it falls under the Foreign Affairs Manual provisions. So there are little differences and little different ways that each can be adjudicated. So tactfully speaking, if you don't think that you're going to qualify real easy for a U.S. passport, then go ahead and apply for the certificate of citizenship first, and then you can use that to help apply for a U.S. passport. There's all different ways. Okay, more on the coming videos.